Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about Forex fundamental analysis. I'm just going to go through our favourite resource sites. Now, in terms of the sites I'm going to look at today, there's 6 of them, and they really will help you get a trading edge in our view. They all provide something different that you can use in your strategy. Now, those 6 sites, I'll just go through them in a moment. In terms of when we're doing fundamental analysis, there's 10 actual sites that we look at all the time. I'm only going through 6 in depth because they're lesser known sites. The 4 other sites are probably pretty well known to Forex traders. I'll just list them off quickly. If you don't know the sites, obviously go and take a look at them. They're great in terms of keeping you abreast of the news, what's going on, and you will get some insight that's useful on them. The 4 sites are CNBC, Reuters, MarketWatch, and Bloomberg. I'm sure most traders watching this video will be familiar with those sites. Now, the 6 sites that I consider essential in terms of my analysis, I'm going to go through in detail. Now, in terms of these 6 sites, they're in no particular order of importance or which is our overall favourite. They all give us something different, or they all give something different to our fundamental sentiment analysis. So right, let's go and take a look at the 6 sites in a little bit more detail. Right, on the first site, it's called The Marketeer. It's a news feed, and it publishes info 7 days a week, and a lot of info. It's not just on Forex, it's on stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, of course, breaking news, links to great articles, trading ideas, and a lot of fantastic info on this site. The one thing I'm surprised about is it is free. Whoever it is that posts the information and does the commentary on this site really knows their stuff. And yeah, I'd cheerfully pay for this site. Since I've discovered it, it was about 1.5 years ago, made many thousands out of the ideas posted on this site. So it's really, really good. Not everything will be of interest to you, but you will find stuff that will suit you if you're a fundamental trader that, yes, in line with your strategy, so to speak. So really good site. Next site, this is Real Vision TV, and Real Vision TV is run by ex-hedge fund manager Raoul Pal. There's free info you can get, and you can also get an annual subscription. Now, in terms of the free info, what you want to be looking at is their daily briefing. Really good analysis, thought-provoking. The people who do it, not just Raoul Pal, but for instance Ed Harrison, other commentators that are on the daily briefing, really know their stuff. And yeah, they do a really good roundup in the daily briefing. You get also a lot of great in-depth interviews as well on the site with household name traders like Stanley Druckenmiller, Jim Rogers, etc. Now you can get even more if you pay. The free stuff is fantastic anyway, but yeah, if you want to pay for it, it's not that expensive. It's $247 for an annual subscription. Highly recommended, obviously. Now there is only one paid for service that we've got in these 6 websites, and that is The Economist. Economist, a well-established UK publication. It's been around for years. Again, it doesn't just cover Forex, it's the big picture of the global economy, covers all aspects of it. How good is it? I read Jim Leitner, who's a really successful hedge fund manager, say that basically he could make money by just reading The Economist and trading the ideas he gets from it. It really is that good. And we pay for it. It's not expensive. It is well worth it. If you're a serious fundamental trader, go and check out The Economist. Next site is one I just discovered a few weeks ago, actually, and it's to do with sentiment. Now, if you're looking at fundamentals, you want to know the sentiment towards the fundamentals, and perhaps one of the best tools you can use is the CFTC Net Traders positions, which give you an idea of what smart money is doing against speculators. Okay, now this site is really good. Good clean charts. You get bonds, commodities, currencies, and stocks. Let's just flick to a chart. If you want to learn more about the COT and are unfamiliar with this sentiment tool, just click our video. It's called COT Net Traders Indicator. But just for anyone new to it, dealers, basically that means commercial hedgers, smart money, speculators are basically the dumb money, for want of a better word. And what you're looking for is big divergences between the two groups. It's a really good way of presenting the COT in terms of it takes into account the open interest on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Yeah, COT is one of our favorite trading tools. In terms of COT data analysis, this is fantastic. Again, totally free. If you're unfamiliar with the COT and you're a fundamental trader, basically look it up because it will really help you judge sentiment. Next site is a vast site. It's trading economics. Everything you need to know about the economies of the world is on this site. It's got, I think, 20 million indicators on it. It's huge. So if you want to find out anything about economies, you get a lot of forecasts, you get news, trading economics, just the site to be on, really. It's a huge resource site. So check it out. Last site I'm going to go for is going to be FX Street. And I'm not a great fan of the whole site. A lot of their own analysis I'm not particularly fussed about. But there is one page I really like. It's the institutional research page they do. Sorry, let me get it up. Here we go. Institutional research. And what they do is they post a lot of reports from banks and big investment houses each day, which will give you sorry, now it's come in. A lot of good ideas, and you can see household names: RBC, ANZ, Wells Fargo, Westpac, Credit Suisse, Morgan Stanley. A lot of good information posted. Saves you checking all the individual bank sites. So 6 really good sites. If you're a serious fundamental trader, check them out. And we find them really useful. The Economist, okay, it's the only paid for one here. It's not expensive for what it gives you. Obviously, in terms of Real Vision, free stuff is great, but I'd highly recommend you take their annual subscription as well. So I hope you found these sites useful. And that is the video for today. If you ever have any questions on good resource sites in any aspect of Forex trading or anything to do with fundamental analysis, just feel free to email us and go to our site if you wish, and you can join our free mailing list, and also check out our own fundamental analysis, which you can get on a 90-day risk-free trial. Right, that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.